Hello friends, I am Shushant Raghavan. Welcome to Technical and Quality Session. For understanding the technical requirements and quality standards in clothing industry, making a sustainable garment, I have good practical experience in the apparel manufacturing sector. My skills are CAD pattern making, sample development, technical requirements, and measuring quality performance. Today's session is about IE calculation in garment production. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin the presentation. IE calculation in garment production. Industrial engineering. Industrial engineering calculation. Industrial engineering calculations in garment production factory is the most powerful waste quantifying and detection tool. These calculations are important because without setting up a target, it is highly unlikely that you will be able to achieve what is expected. Once the target is set and we know what is expected, we can take steps to achieve the target production. It gives industrial engineers clear picture about the performance of sewing operators, supervisors in the sewing line. The things that an industrial engineer needs to calculate are capacity, efficiency, performance and utilization. Knowing IE terms. On standard time, it is the actual time workers spent on productive work. The time spent in doing measured work is called on standard time. Example, stitching, bundle handling, etc. Any work for which SAM has been applied will be on standard. Off standard time, the time spent in doing unmeasured or non-value adding work is called off standard time. Example, machine breakdown, waiting time, etc. for which standard minutes SM are not allocated. SMV, standard minute value. SMV is used while derived from synthetic time, PTMS plus personal fatigue and delay allowances. SAM, standard allowed minute. SAM when it is calculated from observed time, time study plus rating allowance plus personal fatigue and delay allowances. SAM is the allocated time for task rather than the measured time. It is SMV plus allowances. Capacity. The number of garments a factory is capable to produce is called capacity of factory. Capacity calculation helps in planning of resources. If a factory has 100 sewing machines and 8 hours, 480 minutes shift per day, then the capacity of that factory would be 100 into 480 equal to 48,000 minutes per day at 100% efficiency. There are several factors like operator efficiency, absenteeism that influence actual capacity. Capacity equal to total available minutes divided by SAM. If the average efficiency of the operator for that factory is 90%, then capacity would be 43,200 minutes per day. If average absenteeism is 15%, the actual capacity would be 36,720 minutes per day. If a blouse style of 20 SMV is planned to be produced, then we can expect 1836 pieces to be produced per day provided there are no other time loss. Performance. Performance is primarily the measure of both the skills and motivation of the operator and calculated daily. It is usually calculated for individuals and sometimes averaged for a section as a supervisor KPI. Performance equal to minutes earned on standard divided by time spent on standard into 100. Minutes earned on standard equal to number of pieces produced into SAM. Time spent on standard equal to total available time minus total off standard time. Note, we are subtracting total off standard time from total available time because here we are calculating operator's performance. Machine breakdown, waiting and other off standard time is not under the control of the operator. Supervisor or manager is responsible for keeping off standard under check. This measure is the key for incentive payments. Utilization. It is the time spent on productive time out of total attended time. It is the percentage of attended time working earning standard minutes SM. It is usually calculated for a line as it is a measure of how well the supervisor is running the line. Utilization equal to time spent on standard divided by total available minutes into 100. Time spent on standard equal to total available time minus off standard time. Total available time equal to total worked minutes. Note, here we are checking the performance of supervisor, therefore we will use total available time and divide on standard time by total available time. Main goal here is to find the amount of off standard. Factors that may be responsible for time loss are improper feeding, non-availability of accessories, shifting of operators, etc. Efficiency. It is primarily a measure of the effectiveness of the manager and supervisor, and as such is best applied to sections, departments, factories, and not the individual operator. Efficiency is directly related to both operator performance and the utilization of the operator. Efficiency equal to minutes earned on standard divided by total available minutes into 100. Note: in efficiency calculation, we use both the available minutes and minutes earned by actual production because we want to measure the performance of the complete sewing line. This formula undertakes both the operator and supervisor's performance, that is, performance and utilization in calculation. Calculation. Example of calculation in Excel chart for efficiency. Operator A attends full day 480 minutes and produces 800 pieces at SAM of 0.5. He had to wait 30 minutes for work and 10 minutes for machine breakdown. Calculate the operator's performance, utilization and efficiency. Answer: standard minutes produced equal to 800 into 0.5 equal to 400 minutes. Time on standard equal to 480 minus 30 plus 10 equal to 440 minutes. Performance equal to 400 divided by 440 equal to 91%. Operator utilization equal to 440 divided by 480 equal to 92%. Operator efficiency equal to 400 divided by 480 equal to 83%. Pitch time. Pitch time is the theoretical operation time each operator should opt for a plant balance line. It is calculated as pitch time equal to standard minute value divided by number of operators required. Suppose the work content SMV of a garment is 20 minutes and there are 25 operators, both sewing and non-sewing together, available to meet the target, which means while working in a assembly line, each operation should take 0.8 minutes to have a balanced line. Clubbing and splitting of operations are done to match each operation timing with pitch time. Lesser the deviation of operation timings from pitch time, better the balancing efficiency that can be achieved. Thank you for watching. For more sessions like this, do like and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your valuable thoughts and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I post a new presentation. Bye, have a good day.